Hi everyone. I want to share with you the thought of filler plants. You hear them discussed and read in many books published, and they're discussed in great detail. So I thought, well, let's take a look at some of the good filler plants, ones that I've enjoyed using. This is Geranium Orion, and what makes it a filler plant? It fills space quickly. Geranium Orion is a beautiful plant. It fills its center. You don't have to cut it back like geranium spinners, Geranium Johnson's blue that fall apart in the middle. Geranium Orion will fill its center quickly. And you see how it knits between things? That's Vernonia, iron butterfly. And actually a Vernonia seedling here, and peonies. So the Geranium Orion comes up in between the plants, squeezes itself in, and look at the density of the new foliage coming up as the plant will bloom most of the summer, and actually a few flowers in the fall. And you can prune it. You can do some thoughtful pruning and take off old flowers. So it depends on the type of detail you want to get into. So think about Geranium Orion. Think about how it fills its center quickly. Think about how easy it is. And think about how it captures sunlight to stay alive in between plants that are closing in on it. That's called a good filler plant. And it inhibits weeds too, because it gets so large so quickly. Thanks for your time, everybody. We'll find some more filler plants in a little bit. And here's Geranium Orion growing in between phlox, garden phlox, and Salvia snowhill. Again, you see how it can fit right in between, has a good density of foliage, and continues to bloom for a long time. So again, it's a good filler plant. And it can get crowded out as the phlox gets larger. You'll see it moving into the geranium. The geranium will then shift and move away from the phlox, continuing to fill space. And it lets just enough light through so the Deschampsia gold tau can be fine. It'll mingle beautifully. Next year we'll look at it, we'll see the Geranium Orion leaning into the Deschampsia gold tau, and it'll be even nicer because the flowers will be mingling in between the flowers of the Deschampsia when it blooms. So these are the opportunities we have for filler plants that can adjust to the way they collect and harvest light to have a good life.